Ladies and gentlemen, Camugao Falls. We made it. Where? You know where to go? We are at... What's happened?
Wrong way.
The dogs? Are you scared of the dogs? We did the vlog introduction. I'm here with Gail today.
Hi, I'm here with Tito Paolo.
Got the tita.
So we're lost.
Where are we? Say, where are we? Where are we going?
Do you see Camugao Falls?
But we don't know where are they. I thought you know, that's why Gail, I bring you here. Anyway, today it's just me and Gail because Ate Juris, she didn't want to come with us. But we are out to check one of the falls here, the Camugao Falls in Balilihan. But we're still not sure where to go.
Ngayong hapon, pwede mong tanaan sa ang Camugao? Ibabaw? Sige, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now the only problem, how to get there? Sige, sige.
How do you go down?
Sige, this way. Let's go. Why so slow? That's going to be a long hike. Hinay, hinay, ha? Yeah, that's muddy. It's slidey. May muntak. Ay, mayon hapon na tao. I think we chose a wrong day to come here. I mean, it just been raining very hard, and then this is getting worse and worse. Who was this idea? It was her idea. Okay, now time to go down. Oh, that's getting harder. Stairs. Careful to don't slide here. Okay, slowly here because it's kind of slidey. Also because it's all wet. Are you okay? Okay, yeah, I was waiting for that. Herpa bebe pose. That's why I was wondering how come she's not doing that. Okay, now we are back in the jungle. It's not far, it's just probably, it's now 15 minutes walk, and by my estimate there's still another 10 minutes to get to the falls. You just need to park. There's like a big parking area nearby. I just put in Google Camugao Falls Balilihan and it took me to the parking area, and from there it's a little walk. And it's a challenging walk. I mean, look at this. There's so much vegetation around and it's a bit muddy today, but it's a fun walk. I like the challenge. It makes the waterfall even more rewarding once you get there. Where is Gail? Gail, where are you? She's so slow. She's having a hard time. No, yeah. I mean, she's wearing slippers. I mean, she just thought she was going to the beach or something. You didn't know we had to do like a trekking. So the only concern about this place, I heard a lot of stories that there's a lot of ghosts here around. So we're going to find out today. What? She's really scared about those things.
No.
What do you have to say when... What's that?
Tabi po.
Sabi? Sabi?
Tabi.
Ah, tabi.
Tali tabi.
So there's a thing here when you go to these haunted places. You have to ask like permission to enter, and you have to say tabi. Yeah, but I wouldn't drink that, Gail. What does it mean, tabi po?
Excuse me.
Ah, excuse me.
Something like that. Not sure how. Maybe mabasto.
Okay.
The screen.
Oh, we're here! Ta-da! Ladies and gentlemen, Camugao Falls. We made it. How beautiful is this? Gail, we made it! Bambi's. Boom.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep,
And now we're ready for a swim with beer. Yeah, we got beer. We packed well for this trip, well deserved. We wanna try to jump from there. It's starting to rain right now, but show must go on. When it's clear, you don't jump. You jump there when it's dark.
Pero na man gatay stones good.
You jump further. You go first?
No, wait, so wait.
She's scared.
Not scared.
So why you don't jump?
Kinay stones.
You jump further. There's no stone there.
Naa,
Oh, sige, I go. Hold my beer.
Oh, layo de, pwede ra. Okay ah? Didn't die? Okay.
Okay, I'm done with my jump. Now it's turn of Gail. Jump there. You jump, 3, 2, 1. What are you doing? She's so scared. You can do this. You got this.
One eternity later.
So she wants me to get closer because she's scared. Because actually here there are some stones. It's until here. You have to jump further me only. Ready? 3. You run. Go back, run, and then jump. Woo! Yes! Yes!
Ayun na tayo guys. Good job.
You got this! Good job, Gail! Diba? It wasn't that hard, was it? But I want now get closer to the waterfalls. Let's see how does it look from down there below. Ay. Let's take a better look. A closer look. Oh, look at this. I know, right? Woo.
There's water falling.
And that was Gail. Thank you for the insight. That's what happened when I asked her to help me with the vlog. Good job, Gabrielle Beatriz. You bumped this. And we are done with our adventure. And now we need to hike back because it's raining. Do you watch my vlog?
Some.
You should watch my vlog. At least the one you are in it. Did you subscribe?
Yes.
Okay, she...
With the link.
Yeah, she subscribed. That's true. You have to put the notification on so you don't miss any of my vlog. I will send you the link tomorrow. Comment. What? No, you never comment though to my vlogs. Yes, you should comment there.
No.
Tomorrow you comment, okay? No. So look for Gail in the comment section tomorrow, guys. No. Hi. Are you scared of the Carabao? You look scared. No. She's totally scared. Okay, I just had a little accident. Do you have mud in my bag?
Yes.
Okay, yes, I have mud in my bag. And on my GoPro. Careful, very slidey here. Okay, look at this. Okay, my car is there. Gail is slow as always. I need to wash up a little bit. I don't want to enter in my car in these conditions. Okay, that's enough adventure for today. That's taking so long every time. What she's doing? Why you're taking so long?